In a quiet village surrounded by green paddy fields, there lived a little girl named Neela. Every morning, she walked along a narrow dirt path to the river, carrying a small clay pot. One hot day, as she bent down to fill her pot, she noticed a tiny fish trapped in a shallow puddle. It was struggling, its small body flickering in the sunlight. Without hesitation, Neela gently picked it up and released it into the deeper part of the river. The fish swam around her hand for a moment, as if it didn't want to leave, and then disappeared into the water. A few days later, the sky opened up and rain poured down. The river became full and lively again. One evening, Neela sat quietly by the riverbank, dipping her toes in the cool water. Suddenly, she felt something brush against her foot. She looked down and saw the same little fish. This time, the fish was carrying something in its mouth, a small, sparkling stone. It swam closer and gently dropped the stone near her feet before circling happily in the water. Neela picked up the shining stone, her eyes wide with wonder. She smiled, realizing the fish had remembered her kindness. From that day on, she kept the stone safe, not because it was beautiful, but because it carried a special memory, that even the smallest kindness can be returned in the most magical ways.